know I haven't made a video in a long time, so I'm just gonna make a video on how to disassemble PS3 controller. So, first thing you want to do is take a controller, take the 5 screws out, which are here, 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 and here. And then once you take them out, I use a flathead because it's the only size I have for it. Once you do that, you want to, right here, you want to push in and lift up on it, like that. And then, right here, you want to just take it off like that, just slide it out from inserts. See, at the back up. I'm about to clean mine, so I'm just gonna make it quick. And then, see, what you wanna do after that is take the battery out. You just flip it off and pull this up like that. So you can wiggle it, screwdriver, pull it out. It won't come undone because they're locked in there with the plastic. So, but you have to be careful on this part because they will the wires will rip off from the solder point. And then you want to get your logic board out. So what you want to do is this screw right here, just unscrew it, and then just get it. And then just pull it out like that. It's the same with the other screws, pretty much. It's just the same, but I like to keep mine different. And then, I mean, you could have done this before, but just easily pull these triggers out. L1 buttons and R1. Pull these out. And then mine has these clips to hold in these solder point, these rumblers. So I just unclip them with the screwdriver, flathead, and just that, and I have to, yeah, I got that side. So you do it with this side too. Just unclip. I'm gonna have to put the camera on. Okay. So once you got that, just easily pull it out of it, and it should like that. And then you can pull your joysticks off or whatever. Do whatever with it. Really, you don't need to mess with the triggers. I mean, you can't really do anything with it. And then take the rubber pads out like that. That's stuck to it for some reason. Take the button out. Take the pad. And then just dump out the button. And now you have the clear thing. So, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. And subscribe for a simple way if how you can get in. But just subscribe, that'll mean a lot.